I've been thinking about investing in mutual funds, but opinions are conflicting. Some say they are great for beginners, while others say they are all the same.
Mutual funds vary widely based on their strategies and suitability. For instance, there are equity funds for potential growth, bond funds for probable stability, and sector-specific funds like technology or healthcare.
With so many options, where do I start?
Start by understanding your investment goals and risk tolerance. Look into basic types like balanced funds, which mix stocks and bonds, or index funds, which track market performance.
That sounds more complex than I thought.
It is. For beginners, it's best to keep it simple. Choose a fund that matches your goals, check its past performance, and understand the fees involved. Over time, you can learn more and adjust your strategy.
How do I ensure I'm making the right choice?
Every investment carries some risk, but mutual funds are regulated and offer a level of diversification that can help manage those risks. Be sure to read the scheme-related documents carefully and stay informed about the market conditions and the specific funds you're investing in.
This is really helpful, Vikas. Thanks.
An investor education and awareness initiative of Nippon India Mutual Fund.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.